In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Goaffpro for Shopify. To get started, install Goaffpro from the Shopify App Store. This app is designed to help you create and manage an affiliate program directly inside your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, open the app and begin the initial setup process. Next, complete the setup wizard. This is where you define the core settings for your affiliate program. You will choose your default commission rate, which determines how much affiliates earn for each successful referral. You will also select your tracking style, which controls how referrals are recorded. Take a moment here to choose settings that match the way you want your program to run, because these options create the foundation for everything else. After that, customize the affiliate portal by going to the Look and Feel tab. This area allows you to adjust the portal so it matches your brand. A consistent design helps your affiliate program feel more professional and trustworthy. Make sure the layout, colors, and general appearance align with the style of your Shopify store, so affiliates have a smoother experience. Then enable automatic coupons. This feature automatically creates unique discount codes for each new affiliate. It is a useful setting because it gives affiliates a simple way to promote your products while also making performance easier to track. Unique coupons can also make sharing offers more convenient for affiliates and their audiences. From there, configure customer referrals in the Recruitment tab. This option helps you turn existing customers into affiliate partners. It is a smart way to expand your program using people who already know and like your products. When this is set up properly, it can create a more natural path from customer to promoter. Next, set up your payout methods and settings. Goaffpro supports different payout options, such as PayPal payouts, TransferWise, or store credit. Choose the payment methods that make the most sense for your business and for the affiliates you plan to work with. Clear payout options help build confidence and make your program easier to manage over time. Finally, if you want affiliates to recruit other affiliates, activate the multi-level marketing or MLM settings. This adds another layer to your program by allowing recruitment within the affiliate network. If that model fits your strategy, you can enable it here and configure it as part of your overall setup. Once these areas are in place, your Goaffpro setup for Shopify is ready to support your affiliate program. That covers everything you need to know.